Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn how to make the pumpkin cream cheese muffins from Starbucks at home and even better. They're super soft and moist, you get a nice crunch from the pumpkin seeds on top, and that cream cheese in the middle is so good. It'll only take about 90 minutes to make and the yield is 15 muffins. To start off, we're going to get a mixing bowl and add all our dry ingredients, which includes all-purpose flour, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Of course, if you would like a stronger pumpkin pie spice taste, feel free to add an additional half to 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice to the mix. Whisk that together really well and set it aside. Now we're going to get another mixing bowl, but this time for our wet ingredients. We're going to add white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, whole milk, pumpkin puree, and vanilla extract. For the brown sugar, you can either use light or dark. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, you can just use a hand whisk to mix it all together until it's beautifully smooth, just like this. Then we'll take our dry ingredients that we set aside earlier and add it to our wet. The best way to mix this is using a rubber spatula, or if you have a stand mixer, you can use the paddle attachment. When you see that there are no more lumps in the batter and it's super smooth, we can set that aside one more time just so we can make our cream cheese filling, which is super easy to make. All you need is some cream cheese, white sugar, and vanilla extract. Just make sure the cream cheese is at room temperature, so I take it out an hour before I start baking. Just beat that together until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to add our liners to our cupcake / muffin tin. The best way to fill them up is using a large ice cream scoop. Add enough batter to cover almost to the top, that way we can get that signature muffin top look. When you add the cream cheese filling, it's going to rise even more, so just keep that in mind. You can use a piping bag with a tip or just a Ziploc bag with the tip cut off, and you're going to insert it halfway into the cupcake and pull out, leaving a little dollop at the top. Now, depending on how much cream cheese filling you like, if you want more, you can leave a bigger dollop on top. And for a little bit of crunch, we're going to take some roasted unsalted pumpkin seeds that have been chopped up roughly and sprinkle them around the edges of each muffin. Once they're all filled and topped with the pumpkin seeds, we're going to pop them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Take them out of the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes and then transfer it to a wire rack to complete the cooling process. All that's left to do now is enjoy. If you're lucky enough and have some leftovers, store them in the fridge, that way the cream cheese filling doesn't go bad. You can just pop them in the microwave for a few seconds to reheat them when you want to enjoy one. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see your remakes. Of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. On that note, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!